December 26th, the day after Christmas. Woke up this morning, I tried to sleep in, and guess what? I kind of did. I slept until 7 a.m. and I was happy. Why were you happy, Detmers? Well, I was happy because, and I'm glad you asked, I was happy because when you're working out, you need to get a lot of rest, and I'm just following the instructions. So I did get some rest. I feel great today. And I was looking on Facebook Marketplace. I was looking at gym equipment. So I'm on the fence of whether I'm going to join a gym or make my own. What I'll probably end up doing is both. Yeah, probably going to do a little bit of both. So I'm looking on Marketplace and I see this piece of equipment. You can do dips, you can do leg raises, all this stuff, push-ups, chin-ups. And the best thing was, the guy wanted $50 for it. It said just listed, so I sent a little message to this guy, and he promptly replied, said yes, it's available still. But then I realized I didn't talk to the little lady about it. Now, be a man, Paulie. Why do you have to talk to the little lady? Make your own decisions. You said you're a man, make your own. Well, I say that on my other channel. Well, here's why, because the equipment isn't small. It takes up part of our house. This house isn't really the biggest house in the world. It's nice and spacious, but it's not a mansion by any means. We love it, very nice house. But I didn't want to take space in the house without her knowledge or without her approval. So after I got this guy to say yes, it's available, I felt kind of stupid because maybe she might say, you don't need it. So I asked her, hey, found this piece of workout equipment, $50. It's in Pensacola, Florida. Can I get it, please? She said, okay. I'm like, what are you waiting for? So we loaded up the truck. Well, we loaded up in the truck. We sat our butts in the truck, we'll just say that. And we took off, went down there. Really kind of a dumpy area. So I go up to the house. The guy, the front door is wide open. I go, is anybody in here? He goes, yeah, I'm in here, come on in. I go in there, he shows me this machine. I'm like, wow, $50, cool. So we took it, well, we didn't take it apart. We just broke it down into two pieces, and it fit perfectly in the back of a Nissan Frontier. And here is that piece of equipment. Here it is. All in its glory. Well, no glory here. Now, you can see it's chin upper. His son did put this tape on there. I don't know if I might take that off and put something else on there. I don't know what that little piece of line is on there for. I don't know, I don't care. This thing is thick. Yeah, it's held together by nuts and bolts, which doesn't mean it's the greatest, but there's nothing wrong with it. Multifunctional piece of gym equipment. And I'm liking it. I had to reorganize the garage a little bit because the top of that thing is about as high as that thing. I could have put it over there if that wasn't there, but I ended up moving the toolbox there, as you probably can see with that light you might be able to, and reorganize some stuff here, put more stuff in the attic, and put this here. And there's a fishing cart. I got some more tidying up to do here in the garage. I'm pretty happy. Yeah, I still may join the gym. $50, so I think. That is not bad at all. Maybe I don't feel like driving to the gym. I don't know. We'll see if I join the gym. You guys will know. And if I'm allowed to take video in there, I will take video in there. Pretty stiff today, my left shoulder. This is the shoulder I did surgery on. I did some strenuous workout. But yeah, it's kind of aching a little bit. So I got a 3-day break, a 3-day layoff, 3-day rest, 3 days of recuperation, however you want to say it, and day after tomorrow I'm supposed to work out. I appreciate you all, and all 20 of you. Okay, till tomorrow.